This is it right here, man.
You got a net?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. Let me get that set up, actually. I'm gonna get all my stuff set up here.
Get set up. I'm gonna test that snakehead first.
I'll guide us a little bit.
I'm looking at my left because I was like, where is my my rudder with my hobie? It's like, this is not good. Oh, this is cool. This is so cool. Alright, you need to slow down. Do your stuff. I'm just captain. Looking, you know. Today's video is brought to you by Pull Carry Sweat. Korean Gatorade. Let's go.
Oh, yeah.
#1 favorite trusted lures for snakehead.
Right there.
Could be a bait. Oh, but cast right into that.
Yeah. Something just hit over there.
Yeah. Let's see what's going on here. Might be a little too close. That's what I know it's hard to stand on a canoe, but I'm gonna do it a few times.
We should fish that log over there.
Oh yeah. No fishing.
Where'd Jay go? Oh, there he is. He's down there. He's down in the...
Hopefully we'll put you on some snakes today. At least one of us has some. I want him to catch one because he never caught one in his life.
I've caught him accidentally.
What's that?
I've caught him accidentally, not fishing for him specifically.
Right. I mean, if anything bites, they bite. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Whatever bites, bites, right?
But yeah, these weeds are gonna come up a little bit more, so we definitely want to be back here in like 2 weeks. It was so big, it just had to keep. You know, it took my whole lure. I set the hook. It's probably like the trunk's probably like deep down his throat, and if I swam around a lot of time, it cut it right through.
How does this look natural enough in here with that little chartreuse? This water's probably a little clear. That's pretty good. Yeah, it's good.
You want to keep it higher in the water column because they're gonna be down low, looking high. If they're either
Water's pretty clear. I think I'm going to switch up to a different, more natural color. What do I got in here?
trying to get out of. Likely right there. Yeah, go tight. Better.
Any good ones?
Kayak.
Gets crab, catches crab. That's why I said it. Any good ones? It's probably decent. Yeah. And I saw that chemical plant or something down. What's it called? I forgot. Yeah. Ooh! I just bounced right off the log. That was perfect. Right down next to it. And now I'm stuck. Am I stuck? What am I on? Oh, there we go.
The weeds are not up all the way yet, but if it gets a little higher,
shallow over there.
I think what's happening is they're running with the tide.
Oh, I got something on. I got a fish, finally.
Oh, yes.
I didn't know I had anything on. What is it?
Bass.
That's a bass, probably. It's a good one. No, it's a catfish.
Catfish?
Dude, it's a bit. Hold on.
Oh, man.
It's big, too. Oh, no, it's a snakehead.
Snakehead. Give me that.
Yeah.
Oh, he's
Targeted species.
target species.
All right, let's get him in. Yeah, baby.
Yeah, look at that.
I can't keep him because it's my son's birthday today.
I'll keep it then.
And I didn't even know he was on. I was just like, oh, I'm stuck. I got him right off the. He must have bit right off of that log because I was on something.
Oh man, here, I got it. Here.
Yeah, I got it. Yeah.
You take a photo and everything.
Awesome, Jimmy. Thank you.
Yep.
On the tube. I mean, they like those
man.
little tubes.
You go. They're into slow moving
Damn.
today. They are. Oh man, I didn't reset it. Hold up. Dang it. Why is my scale not working? All right, I know what happened. Let me go first.
He was right over there, right by the.
Is it out of battery or something?
I'm guessing he's probably like.
2.5?
Yeah, I was gonna say
Close to
2.5, 3 pounds.
I'll get back in there.
It's a pretty one. The one I caught before. Yeah, that's the biggest one I've caught so far. I've never caught one that big.
You
That's
ready?
my PB for snakehead. Yeah.
3 and a 1.
Excellent, man.
There you
Awesome.
go. 3.1, yeah. Well, 3 pounds per ounce. I'm getting some nice photos.
Oh,
But
this
you-
meat. Look at that meat,
Yeah,
man,
it's
dude.
Man. Holy smokes.